So, you know how they say there's more than one way to skin a cat?
Mm-hmm.
Have you ever skinned a cat?
No.
Neither me.
I love kitty cats.
This is a towel rack, which we need. And I hope that we remember years down the road that I did not do that. Look at that. That's not level at all. It's down on the right.
Mm-hmm.
And a lot of the stuff that was put in this house was not done level. So we need to remember that it wasn't me. But we need an extra towel rack, and I'm going to show you one of the ways to skin this cat. You take your level, probably better to use a 3-foot level for this, but I got a bullet level, and you level your piece. And then what I did, because you can draw circles, you can mark a circle around there and find your center and put your pieces that you attach to. So that's level. That's level. See, what I've done is I've found the center of these parts here, and then you put your mounts. I guess that's what they would be called. Don't read the instructions. You put your mounts. Now see, I know just where to put my mounts. And if you've never used these mounts when hanging a towel rack, they don't go like that to the door, they go out. So you have this catch. You have that angle to catch onto. Because what that does is it hooks up in there, and then gravity holds it in place. It clips down on that mount. So let's just do this real quick. I could easily mess up my door here, right?
Oh, good.
By putting this in the wrong place. Put your top screw in so that your part won't swivel here. And now I've got both of my top screws in. Give it an eyeball, and I see that it is level. And I'm going to go ahead and put my bottom screws in and then drive in my set screws.
Sounds good.
Okay. Now we set our set screws, and they'll grip underneath, and we should never have a problem. Okay, so you just have to be patient when you're turning the little things.
Oh, yes.
And then feel that.
Oh, yeah.
Does that feel level?
Can I hang on it?
No, don't do that.
One of my hairs was stuck up there.
All right, put a towel on it. If you love her, put a towel on her. Happy now, Mama?
Yep.
All right. So
Very nice. Now I
yeah,
can.
now you can get ready out of the shower, and you've got your towel holder right there.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, but be patient with these little guys because they just take some work to get in there, nice and sturdy. How easy was that?
Awesome.
All right, let's go to the beach.
Yeah.
Come on, come on. Oh yeah.